What's up, guys? Corey here, BPB. We are back. Today we've got another giveaway we're doing at 1,500 subscribers. We're only about 13 or 14 subscribers away, so it's really close. This is one of our past giveaways that we actually couldn't get in communication with the winner. He never did get back with us. We tried, and it's been several months now. Close to 6 months, I guess. So we kind of just want to give it away. We're ready to find its new home. So all that we're going to ask is that you guys like, share, subscribe, and comment on the video. Everybody that comments on the video will be entered. That's all you have to do. Subscribe, comment. So if there's only 10 people that comment, only 10 people is going to be entered. I'll put your guys' name in a hat and pull the winner out, and I'll, let you know right away who won. So probably be giving this away in the next few days, hopefully. Like I said, we're close to 1,500 already, so don't miss out on your chance. Yeah. Any questions or comments? Drop them down below, or hit us up on Facebook, BPB Restorations. Yep. Thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for all your continued support. And the channel just continues to grow, and it's doing awesome. We're really happy. We'll have some more videos out soon. I know it's been a while. We've been pumping a lot of stuff out here lately that's other than our restorations. So I don't really film a lot of that stuff. It's but it's been taking a lot of time, killing my time. But I don't want to ramble too much, guys. Like I said, like, share, subscribe, share it. Let's get as many people subscribed as we can, and let's get these Devilbiss starting line paint guns a new home. All right, guys. See you.